A small bird in your city is picking up cigarette butts, and it's not by accident. It is doing it on purpose to protect its babies, because inside those filters is nicotine, a chemical strong enough to kill the parasites living in its nest. So the chicks survive. But here's the part no one tells you. The same nest that protects them might also be damaging their DNA. This is not just an adaptation, this is a survival with a hidden cost. Across urban environments, especially in crowded cities, house sparrows and other small birds have started collecting used cigarette butts and weaving them into their nest. At first, it looks like random behavior, just birds using whatever they find. But researchers noticed something different. Nests with cigarette filters had fewer parasites, fewer mites and ticks that usually feed on chicks. And the reason is simple: nicotine, a natural chemical found in tobacco, works as a powerful insecticide. So these birds are unintentionally creating a protective shield to their young ones. This behavior is a part of a fascinating concept called zoopharmacognosy. It means animals using substances from their environment to treat or prevent the disease. In forests, monkeys eat specific leaves to remove parasites. Elephants use certain bark for healing. And now in cities, birds are using cigarette waste. But there is a key difference. Nature designed those natural remedies. Cigarette filters are man-made, filled with toxic residues, heavy metals and harmful chemicals. So while the intention works, the material is dangerous. And this is where the story becomes uncomfortable. Scientific studies have shown that chicks raised in nests containing cigarette butts can experience genotoxicity, meaning damage to their DNA. The toxins from these filters can enter their bodies during the early growing stages. This may lead to cellular abnormalities and long-term biological risk. So yes, the chicks survive parasite attacks, but the same protection may come at the cost of their genetic health. Short-term gain, long-term uncertainty. This situation is known as ecological trap. It happens when animals make decisions that appear beneficial but are actually harmful in long run. The environment sends misleading signals. Here, cigarette butts seem like useful nesting material because they reduce the parasites, but hidden within them is toxicity the birds cannot detect. A trap created by urban pollution, not by nature. And this raises a bigger question. Did the birds really choose this, or did we leave it with no better option? Urban birds like sparrows are indicator species. Their behavior reflects the condition of our environment, and if they are turning toxic waste into their survival tools, it means our cities are quietly reshaping life in ways we don't fully understand. This is not just an adaptation, it's a signal and maybe a warning. If this made you think differently about the world around you, please subscribe.